Okay, good day, everybody. Thank you, Daniela. Your name is still Hafid, in the computer.
Yeah,
Uh, Good morning, also, Salome. How are you? Good morning, everybody. It is so nice to have you here, all. And yes, I've been to uh, Ecuador after America. We have America and Ecuador trip last year. We had a retreat. It was a success one. Thank you very much, Daniela and Salome. And as requested by Daniela and Salome, who are the hosts for the retreat in Ecuador and Colombia, surely I'm happy to share with you what need to be known, to share with you an introductory or introduction of a basic meditation and whatever that you want to know with regard to our retreat in Ecuador and in Colombia. So we will have 1 hour or more. It depends on the question later on. I will not see to stick with time, although I will have another appointment later on around 12 o'clock. And it's long story to introduce myself, but my name Idarsi Wisesanata, and I'm sorry, Idarsi Mahadewi, my wife cannot join because she had a sore throat quite heavily because 2 days ago and 3 days ago we had a heavy time, quite tough job to be handled and lack of sleep, and then I think she worked tougher than me, and then she had a sore throat today, so cannot really speak easily. So I represent her for today, and we were a businessman and businesswoman before becoming high priest. To be a high priest, we need to prepare ourselves years because to be a high priest, we have to be priests as well. We became priests in the year of 2005, and then we became high priests in 2017. I think that's enough for now. And then the detail later on, if you would like to know more, go ahead through your question, or maybe when we meet in the retreat. Okay. Any question before we start? If not, okay. The meditation will be done with a video on. Yeah, please, the video on. Because meditation is good if we do that in person. Now, if we do that through the media, at least we have eye contact and we have a feeling on and seeing who you are and who I am. So please, then I will be able to observe what happened to you, what is the impact or the reaction physically, if there is something, so I can see you. So please turn on the video. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Because I want to see the postures as well. Yeah. If possible, turn on the light, make it brighter. Make the light slightly brighter. And then the position of the camera can see at least until your waist or until your feet is better because I want to see how is the position of your feet. Because of the situation, you sit on the chairs is okay also. It's okay. Better that you sit on a mat, on a floor. That is the best, yes. But the position, I can see your face, yes. Daniela Valdez, yes, correct. That is the best posture, the best proportion that we can make. Avoid to lean with your chairs because we need to have your back to be straight. We need to have a straight back posture. We need to have your back straight, not to lean, except you are sick. Except you have problem with your back, then you may lay down or lean with your chair. We want to have your back to be straight. Okay, we need the others also to turn on your camera. We have Laura in good position, although a little bit too far. Can make it closer a little bit with your camera. I don't know if the voice can be heard easily. And Daniela is perfect. Daniela Almeida also perfect. Ignacio also perfect. Perfect positioning. Uh, yeah, if possible. Well, this is for now. It's okay, as comfortable as possible. But later on, when we are at the retreat, I will teach you how to have the best posture. To be on the floor is better than you will be able to contact to the earth better than sitting on a mattress or sitting on a chair. Elena, maybe you could put down a little bit your camera, look down a little bit, so the space on your head can be reduced. The Maria Alejandra, you can uh, put your camera down a little bit, then the space on your head can be reduced. Yes, great, Maria. Jackie Apitatan, Sarah, please turn on your camera. Jomi, it's not clear what picture is that. Sebastian, reduce the space on your head. So put the camera down a little bit. Okay, Jackie, Apitan, Sarah. Okay, okay. It's okay. I think it's enough. So once more time, ladies and gentlemen, it's nice to have you here to have meditation together with me. My name is Idarsi Wisesanata. Idarsi is the name for high priest. Rasi, I think in India also they call it Rasi. Yeah, Rasi. Okay, let's start with fixing our posture first. Put your position at Sukhasana position. I think you can see at the picture of Daniela Valdez, Daniela Almeidas, that the right foot in front of the left foot. That's perfect. You fold your feet like that. If you can, yeah, if your place is possible to make it happen at that position. So your back, your bottom, your Muladhara chakra, your bottom chakra touching the ground. Your Muladhara chakra connected to the Mother Earth. The Mother Earth energy will go through your Muladhara chakra and through your feet. Okay, Rafaela, Sarah, Apipatan, Daniel, please turn on the camera. Miela Higuera is a little bit dark. Maybe you can turn on the light, make it brighter. Okay, we will make it simple. I will. Okay, Apitatan cannot turn on the camera. It's okay. Okay. To make it simple, first you put your both of your hand put on your lap, resting on your lap, the right on top of the lap. Yeah, yeah. That's Salome giving you the example, the position of your hand, and then put that on your lap, resting on your lap, resting, yes. Put that as close as possible, to your stomach. That will make your position, will support your position, your back position to be straight. Okay, make sure your back is in a straight position, but remain relaxed. Make sure it is straight, but remain relaxed. Okay. We do salute. Yeah, we do salute first, and then you do salute at your own language. We haven't start yet. I will give you an explanation. So when you do, you don't confuse. You don't ask question. Okay. When we do salute, you touch the ground. You touch the ground in front of you. You touch the ground. We salute to the Father Sky and the Mother Earth. You touch the ground. You bow a little bit. Yeah, you touch the ground like that. Yes, yes, yes. Veronica, you're right. And then we stand straight back again. Okay. Now is the most important one. The most important one is the breath. For the pranayama, it's easy because I will be able to guide you, and then the guidance is simple. But this is the most important, is what will you do with your breath? The breathing is natural. Make sure you are breathing naturally. Okay? Now feel the surrender. Try to set your frequency as surrender as possible, resting your body, but your back is straight. Make sure you feel surrender. Tender your mind, tender your emotion, soften your emotion. Okay, that's surrender. And then another surrender is to make sure, and you are aware that you are breathing naturally. Okay. No manipulation with your mind, no influence with your mind, but you're aware that you are breathing naturally. Now, we practice with an aid. We use our hand to help to make sure you are following your breath. Because the whole meditation, beside another thing, on the whole process, we will observe our breath. That is the best way to make sure you are focusing to your life, to yourself, to the state of your basic consciousness. There are many other ways to focus to a certain sport, focus to decide a number of many ways, focus on your choice on a color. But our system, from my observation and experience, the best is by observing your breath. When you observing your breath, there will be an appreciation to life. Our mind construction will appreciate the life, because without the breath, without breathing, there is no life. You may not eat for 1 month or 2 months, you're still alive. You may not drink maybe for 2 weeks, you're still alive. But the breathing, your breath, you don't breathe for 2 minutes, you're gone, we are gone. That's breathing is more important than the others. So through this breathing, we will appreciate our life. Life is a very valuable thing. Life is a blessing for ourselves, because through life, we will be able to have a chance to upgrade ourselves, to grow our wisdom. We will talk about that later on. Okay, how to observe and feel your breath. Sound easy, sound simple, might be once or twice, it's easy to do it, but to make sure we are attached and unite with that is quite challenging. So that's why let's try now. Use your hand. When you inhale, you bring your hand up. When you exhale, you bring your hand down to the end of the exhaling and to the end of the exhaling. So it's up to the top when the exhaling is finished. You stop. When you start to, when you start to exhale, it's down. When you start to inhale, to the end of the inhale, it's stop to the top. And then when you start to exhale, you put your hand down as fast as the speed of your inhaling and exhaling. Okay? Pay attention there. There will be a lag. There will be a lag between the inhaling and exhaling. And you will notice later on that after several inhaling and exhaling, you will notice that your breath getting softer and smoother. That is another moment of truth. you will find that your breath getting softer and smoother. Okay? Okay, let's start try that using our hand to make sure we are unite with our breath. Okay, go ahead with your own inhaling and exhaling. Put your hand up when you inhale and then put your hand down when you exhale to the end of your exhale to the end of the exhale. Okay, you will find your breath getting shorter and smoother, getting shorter and shorter. Okay, great. Any question on that? And when we start the meditation, we will have our eyes open. Okay, we will have our eyes open, and then you will look to a point around a meter then or a meter and a half in front of you. Decide a point in front of you. You may put something there to help you that you look always to that point, because if your eyes moving, then that will induce your mind to think. So you lock your eyesight at that point in front of you. So around a meter and a meter and a half in front of you on the floor. Decide a point in front of you. After you are breathing later on, inhale and exhaling, and it's getting shorter and smoother, the energy, your kundalini, without you feel, will go up. Will go up, and then that first energy will close your eyes. You will not be able to open your eyes to hold it. If it is the real energy coming up, you will not be able to hold your eyes open. It will close. To make sure it is the real energy, you may hold not to close your eyes. If it is not the real one, you will be able to remain open your eyes easily. But if it is the real one, then you will not be able to hold it. You will close your eyes. So at that you experience, just close your eyes. So since everybody's speed, everybody's situation, and everybody's level of evolution is different, so be patient for those who close their eyes sooner than the others, and let's wait the others. And then for those who are not closing your eyes yet, then just don't worry, just enjoy your breathing, inhaling and exhaling. I will decide later on. I will decide later on when to close it together, because we do it together since this is the first time. It is okay. It is okay just to experience the generic meditation first. Okay, if you do understand already, let's start now. Let's start. Okay, let salute the universe. Om Swastiastu. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever, and then salute. Touch the ground. Touch the ground as if you are touching the feet of the Father Sky and the Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you. I pray to you. Please bless me. And then, okay. at the position where both of your hand resting on your lap, the right one on top of the left one. Relax, your eyes remain open. Look at a point in front of you. Look a point in front of you on the floor. And then stay with that side. It's okay to blink. No problem to blinking. But do as much as possible not to move here and there. Just look at that and lock your eyes sight at that point. Start to feel your breath. Start to observe your breath. And you make sure you are breathing naturally. Follow the inhaling to the end of it, and then the exhaling to the end of it. Soften your mind, soften your emotion. Daniela, put your hand on your lap resting. Yes, resting like that. Yes, correct. Make sure all of your muscle is at a relaxed state. You may scan it sometime from your head muscle to toe. You may scan your neck muscle, your shoulder muscles, your chest, your back. You may scan because at the same time you scan your body muscle will become more relaxed. So scan it from time to time while you are observing your breath. Observe your breath meticulously. You will find your breath getting shorter and shorter and getting softer and softer. You will become more peaceful, more blissful. If any of you feel sleepy, please feel your eyeball. Just feel your eyeball to reduce the sleepiness feeling. Scan your muscle from time to time to make sure you are relaxed. Tender your mind and tender your emotion. Make sure when you feel that you want to close your eyes, make sure you test it first to make sure it is the real energy that close your eyes. Because if it is not the real one, that you will be able to remain open it. But if it is the real one, then you will not be able to hold it down. Keep observing your breath. Okay, I notice several of you already close your eyes. It's okay. You continue. Observe for those who close your eyes already. Observe your mouth, observe your tongue. There will be saliva comes out more than usual. You may swallow it to make you feel calmer. For those who still having your eyes open, don't worry, I'll give you some more time. Don't worry, relax. You just feel your breath relaxedly, easily. Make sure it is natural. You are breathing naturally. For those who have closed your eyes, enjoy your closing and then keep observing your breath while we are waiting everybody to close their eyes. Enjoy your blissful feeling. Enjoy your peaceful feeling. Okay, because of the time and our togetherness, I would like to suggest everybody to have your eyes closed. You still observing your breath. You still following your breath, inhaling and exhaling. You feel your mouth, you feel your tongue, and then you swallow your saliva. Feel the whole of your body while you are still observing your breath. Now you put your hand in front of your Anahata chakra on your chest, like you're saluting. Okay. You feel your Anahata chakra while you are observing your breath. Still, both of your hand in front of your chest, both of your hand. Yeah, the palm of both of your hand meet each other. the palm of your hand meets each other. The palm of your hands meet each other. Put the palm of your hand together. Okay. Feel your Anahata chakra, feel your heart chakra, your chest chakra, feel your center while you're still observing your breath. Observe the sensation of your Anahata chakra, where you will find a sensation of wisdom, sensation of deeper understanding, and also you will feel a thin smile, the smile of Buddha within, the smile of the wisdom. Bring that smile to the whole of your body. Bring that smile to your face. And make sure you are smiling now. You feel a lot easier. You feel more relaxed. You feel sweeter. You feel nicer with your smile in the whole of your system, in your face. Make sure you feel the smile on your face. Feel that smile. Feel that smile. That will further open your heart. And chanting Om Namo Buddhaya. You respecting your own Buddha. You respecting your own light. You are respecting your own dimension, your own divine dimension, which enlightened. Actually, you just don't realize it. That respect to yourself, to the most inner self. Keep smiling, and now you are still observing your breath, and then you are smiling. Keep that smile, keep observing the breath. And then, okay, it's okay to put your hand there still, and then now feel your crown chakra. Feel your crown chakra, feel the top of your head. Okay, feel it easily while you are still observing your breath, while you are smiling. You will feel many kind of sensation. It depends on your situation. You may feel warm or cool on top of your head. You may feel there is a pressure a little bit, or you may feel a tingling a little bit. And you don't have to touch your head. Relax your hand. Relax your hand in on top of your chest, yeah? Okay, relax your hand. You just focus on top of your head. Focus while you are observing your breath. Keep observing your breath and keep smiling. And for those who can see, for those who can feel, there is a light ball on top of your crown chakra, on top of your crown chakra, on top of your head. And we chant Om 3 times. Om, softly. Om, Om, Om. Feel the connection to the source. Keep the focus on the light ball on top of your head. You keep smiling and then you keep observing your breath and then you feel or focus on the light ball and connect to the one, connect to the source, and then you say, God, I pray to you. God, I love you. God, thank you very much for this life, for the life that you have given to me. God, thank you very much for all of your blessing and your grace. My apologies for all the mistakes that I have done. I repent not to do it again. God, please always show me your ways and my best ways. Thank you very much. And bring that light ball to the whole of your body. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Okay. Now feel again on top of your head. We will do a chakra cleansing together. I will give you my induction through chanting. You just feel and you chanting Om only. Okay, you don't have to count how many times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. You don't worry. You just chanting Om. I will guide you to feel which part of your body. Okay. Now let start from your crown chakra. Okay, focus on your crown chakra and start chanting Om. Okay, continue. Om Namo Vartyam Namo Saranam Namo Mahayatam Pranam Om. Om. Now we feel our Ajna chakra within the eyebrow at your forehead. Okay, chanting Om. Om Namo Yang Ang Ahvartyam Om Rudragni Nirgyam Namo Naye Vartyam Om Nayante Om. Om. Now move the focus to your throat chakra, your throat. Start chanting Om. Om Yam Tamong Ang Ahratran Om. Om. Now feel the Anahata Chakra, focus Anahata Chakra, your chest. Okay, start chanting. Om. Om Ramayatam Namo Nayante Ang Yang Ong Mang Mang Ang Ah Suci Sidi Natyan Yana Om. Om. Now we go down to the navel chakra, solar plexus, navel chakra, Manipura chakra. Okay, start chanting. Om Brim Brahmam Yasam Pranam Mrityam. Om. You go down to your genital chakra, above your bottom, slightly above your bottom. Let's start chanting. Om. Nirgyastante gnyo Om. Namo ye vartyam Om. Om. Okay, now the last one, your bottom chakra, your Muladhara chakra. Okay, start chanting. Om. Om Yam Tam Saranam Praisyam Purnam Pranam Omkara Nityam. Om. Om. Now feel the whole of chakra, the whole of your body, and chanting Om 3 times. Om. 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 Okay, keep smiling. Keep smiling. Okay, focus on top of your head. Focus on top of your head. Now we do healing. Yeah, we do healing. Feel the light ball on top of your head and connect to the source, God. I would like to have your healing energy to heal. Okay, mention which part of your body need to be healed. After you feel connected, after you feel you receive the healing energy, bring that light ball to the sick part of your body. Okay, now bring it to the sick part of your body. Feel that part of the body. Okay, bring that light to the sick part of your body and feel that sick part of the body and smile there. Okay, we come back to the light ball above your head. Feel again, energize again. Okay, bring that to the other sick part of your body. If that is the only place, and then it's enough to light that area only while you are still smiling. Okay, last one. Feel again your light ball above your head. Energize it again. Okay, bring back to the sick part of your body, wherever it is. Keep smiling. Okay, you go back to your light ball on top of your head. And then you may kneel, touch the ground again. Thank you very much, God. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And then chanting Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu 3 times. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. May all being are happy. May all being are happy. May all being are happy. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Now, a touch of activation. Okay, a touch of activation. We have done a touch of cleansing the chakra and then a little time to do healing. And now feel your heart only and open your crown chakra. And then feel whatever the energy that you feel, and then don't hesitate to move your body when that energy is moving your body, and then when that energy make you want to voice something, just voice it out. You just embody that energy. I will do an activation. Okay, open your crown chakra and feel your heart, and then keep smiling, and you are connected. Namo yang yuna ongkara prasyam purnama ongkara pranam ta ongkara nidyam yang ongkara geni geni suci ongkara ring rang ang mang sang ang ah geni ang ah sang ang ah bang ang ah rang ang ah nadianti kitan reh yastam purnam mertianti geni ongkara ring rang ang ah mang ang ah sang ang ah grim prayam nam saranam brim prayam saranam mayam sunyam ongkara Nidyam yang, nidyam ong, nidyam sang, nidyam pranam, 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 martyam. Pranam, 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 sidi, astram, pranam, sidi. Ang sang sidi, ang mang saranam, brahmanteyam, saranam, brahmanteyam. Ong sang bangtang yang, ong sang bangtang mang, ong sang bangtang yang. Ong grim mertiam, gring prasyam, gring pramama, ye kenang ongkar. Yatam Purnam Yatam Purnam Martyam Purnam Mahayatam Suci. Ong Sang Bang Tang Yang, Ong Sang Bang Tang Mang, Ong Sang Bang Tang Yang, Ang Ring Ang Mang Ang Sang Ang Ah. Nadian Ong Kara Pranam Mertiam Ong Kara Pranam, Sidi Ong Kara Mertiam Ong Kara Rang Ang Ah, Mang Ang Ah, Grim Pramam Ang Ah, Mang Sang Ang Ah. Ong Kara Mahayastan Tegni Ong Kara Suci. Nayastante pranamaye pranam purnam martyam onkar nityam onkar nityam onkar ring yang ang aong karaniryas tante geni angrang geni angrang paran angrang saranam angrang grim saranam brahmante yang ong sang bang tang yang ang mang sang ang ah ong geni suci ong saranam brahmante yang ang ah mang ang ah ong saranam mertiam om namo 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 ong karasubisa. Oh, Sidisha. Okay, that's just short activation, short introduction. We may continue that at a later time. It's time for last session for question and answer. Go ahead, Daniela, to lead it.
Thank you, Father, for this meditation and activation. It was very powerful. Thank you. And first of all, I wanted to ask you a question. Like, can you explain us why you need to see everybody when you do the meditation and activation? Like, why you need to look the bodies of everybody so you can see what? Can you explain us that, please?
You're muted. We can hear you.
Sorry. Thank you for the question. One, to make sure that there is somebody there. So I don't speak to nobody. Second, to make sure they are serious, they are not eating, they are not chatting or whatever. Yeah, to make sure they are serious and having a proper posture, although not as proper as when we meet in person, but at least quite okay, acceptable. Yeah, to make it at least that physically. Yeah, actually, when we have an eye contact, although this is through a media, to have a eye contact, there will be an energy connecting, among us between you and me. Yeah, that is the basic reason.
And can you feel like if each person, like if when you do the activation, like can you feel or see if they are like sensing, like I don't know what I'm feeling, or Salome, or the people that are already have
I
like.
don't feel each person because I'm spreading a generic energy for everybody. So everybody having their generic dimension which need to be purified. So at this moment, in a short time moment, I'm just spreading a generic energy for everybody. So I don't feel one by one energy except we are meeting on one-to-one session. When we do one-to-one session, then we will do that specifically. A specific chanting, a specific mantra at your specific code. So for this generic together, we just give you a generic code. Everybody surely will respond. Also very much depend on your evolution level.
Okay, thank you. And can you explain us a little bit about the retreat, like just like a little bit, very quickly, like what is it about, what are we going to do? I don't know if maybe you can explain us a little bit.
In the retreat,
Yeah.
okay. A lot of thing in the retreat, but basically for this soul school retreat, we will focus to help people, especially who are in their awakening process. If you already awakening, you are in the process of awakening, and then when you start the process, then the process never stop. you will experience that. But it's very much depend how long have you have the process already begun. That is only the difference. So my existence, my training, my position and my role there to support you, to help you, to make sure you understand rationally what is awakening, what is the human dimensions, what you need to do, because you deserve in this life to enjoy the happiness as well. You deserve to be happy in this life. We know that one of the best way to make people awaken is to break the ego. And to break the ego, a lot of things may happen to you. Usually, the nature, the universe will take your belonging, take your own, whatever you love. The universe may take your health. You may experience sickness, not in a short moment, usually quite long. May take your wealth, may take anything that you love or your belonging, your own, to make your ego really shaken, to make your ego really hurt, That is the model, that is the modus, that is the best way to make you awake on what life actually. If your life is easy, happy all the time, then human tend to be like what so-called animal. You just sleep, you just eat, and then you just whatever instinctively. You don't developing your intelligence. You don't develop your rational intelligence. You don't develop your emotional intelligence, your physical intelligence, your spiritual intelligence. Human is a different level of light. And then you never care that you are light. You just think you are human. And then as the way you think what you are. Here in the retreat, we will explain on that. We will focus more on the soul. That's why the retreat participants are those who are in their process of awakening. This is not for a beginner, not for those who are not interested in spirituality. So the participant must really, really interested in spiritual life. Not just because they have money, just, okay, I will have time, I have money, I just join, what is that? If I don't like, I will leave it, I don't care because I have a lot of money. No, not for that kind of segment. This is a serious one, to find, I want to see my brothers, my sisters, my children who are sent to the earth to be an avatar, to work for a mission, to do something more just to enjoy the life. I think that in short.
Thank you.
I think there is a question. There is a question written in the message. Please kindly read it.
No, they are like.
I have the question. It says, I felt very sick, dizzy, sweating, and uncomfortable, especially in the first part of the meditation with my eyes open. Is that normal? That's from someone in the meeting.
That's your normal, not everybody's normal. It's very much depend on your situation, the trauma that you have, the soul situation, the code given to you, the energy that want to be released by the soul. That's a code already from your spiritual side. Well, people who are influenced by external entities also may experience like that. People who really experience their soul really, really want to knock your door of your consciousness may experience like that. So we have to go further to do another meditation if the next meditation also like that. Yeah, we will see. Yeah, there must be something related to your trauma, related to your soul situation. Your soul maybe really want to go outside to introduce itself. Don't worry with that. Tender yourself, ease yourself for the moment to make you feel easier. Yeah.
Okay,
You,
thank you
do
for
you still feel like that when you smile? If your breath, if you manage your breath to be softer and shorter, who is that asking? Who asking that question?
Laura is asking.
Yeah, where's Laura? Hello? Ah, Laura, you have your camera off. Okay.
Okay, let's see if okay, there is Lara.
I'm feeling better now, but yeah, I felt like if I smoked something or like very, very dizzy, my hands were numb, and then yeah, I don't know what happened seriously, but I stopped, I relaxed for a little bit, and then it went away.
Did you do a meditation before?
Yeah, I've done meditations before.
Okay, and so this is not your first time, and then you feel the first time?
Well, all the other times have been pretty okay. This one, I don't know what happened because I was not even breathing fast or doing anything different, but I just felt really, really unwell.
When it is gone?
Well, I had to stop. I stretched my legs and I just sat on the side for a second because I started sweating, and then I just got better, and then rejoined.
Okay, okay. A lot of things may happen. Maybe your environment, maybe your sitting position, and maybe that's a code from your soul. Have you ever experienced something like that in your life or in your meditation?
Yeah, well, I've done some meditations that included rapé and some things like that, and I've been really well with those things. But apart from that, no, not really.
Okay. Okay, can you turn on your video? I would like to check if you feel something. Can you sit? Yes, sit properly.
Yeah.
I just, you do your scanning. Okay, you do, close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes and sit at the position where you feel that uncomfortable moment. Okay. 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 You still hear my voice, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you are at your meditated state. Smile and feel your breath. You close your eyes, smile, and follow your breath. Okay, you feel the whole of your body as well while you are feeling your breath. Namo Brim Prasyam Purnam, Namo Brim Prasyam Purnam, Mayam 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 Pranam, Mayam Dam Tao, Mayam Prayam Pranam, Om Mayam Pranam Dam Om, Mimri Prastamurtyam, Om Mayam 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 Dam Yam Yam Om Mam 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 Dam Ram, Om Prayam Pranam Pranam Om Prasyam Purnam, Om Pranam Pranam Niryam Pranam Om Prasyam Purnam, Om Sam Om Nam Om Ram Om Dam Om Mayamo. Okay. What did you feel, Laura?
I was okay. Not feeling unwell at all, just calm at the moment.
Okay, good, good. Then that energy just passing by, and then that energy has been purified.
Good.
Okay,
Thank you
don't
very much.
worry. You're welcome.
So let's see if
Any other
anybody.
question?
Yes, that. Thank you, Father.
Any other question? Or anybody want to share, like what Laura shared? Thank you for sharing, Laura. And then any others would like to share what you experienced?
Hi, Father. Nice to meet you, and thank you, Danny and
Nice
Salome,
to
for
meet
the
you.
space.
Nice to meet you, Daniela.
I take this too seriously. Like, it's really important to me, my spiritual awakening, and sometimes I forget to smile. So I wanted to thank you for that because I really felt the bliss and the joy that it is to have this connection. So thank you for that.
Yes, thank you. Everybody will smile later on after 4 days of 4 days meeting in the retreat later on, because during that 4 days we will put ourselves in the condition, because that is very important to have our smile and to have our heart open is very, very important in our life. You will have a life change after that. Yeah. And then, although you don't join the retreat, at least you smile now. Make sure you're committed to smile now. And remember, because smiling, as soon as you smile, your middle brain will open and connect to your right brain and help to connect to your heart. And surely you need to process further to make sure your heart open. So that is the first gate where our consciousness at our rational level can do an induction. Yeah. And surely when we smile, you look more beautiful, no? You look more friendly, and business will be better. Thank you, Daniela. Any other sharing?
I have a question.
Yes, Ignacio.
Yeah. When you said that we must breathe normally, but sometimes when I read about meditation, I've seen that it's suggested to breathe deeply, like inhale and exhale everything we have until the end, and probably try to breathe 2-3 times per minute or things like that. So what is better according to you, to just follow your normal breathing, or instead breathe very deeply, inhale and exhale very long? What's
Okay,
your opinion about that?
good, very good question, Ignacio. If you arrange and manipulate your breathing, it is a treatment. It is a treatment to make sure you become relaxed faster. Okay? When we do a complete meditation, later on, I will give you more pranayama at the beginning. Then we will go to a relaxed state faster. Then that pranayama is required to make sure we are connected to our higher self faster. Okay? But after that, when we want to really connect, then a normal breathing is required. And this normal breathing will go really soft and short, yeah, soft and short. Then it's becoming short and short when you pay attention to your breath. Okay, you will experience that your breath getting shorter and smoother when you pay attention to your breath. Different with sleeping. When you sleep, your breath is long. Yeah, because you are dreaming. Because you're dreaming. You're dreaming, walking, running, or something make you tense, that's make it long. You require more oxygen. You are not as relaxed as if you're doing a deep meditation. If you do a deep meditation, you will be at your most relaxed state. Your mind will rest, your soul will rest, your ego, your everything will open, and that state will give a moment to your soul, to your light to dominate and to radiate to all of your dimension. That is the idea why first, okay, you may dominate or you may stimulate and do a pranayama just to fasten the process that you are in control. And after that, do a natural breathing. And after that, observe. You just observe. And naturally, when you observe, because when you observe, you are more focused. When you more focus, then your body will rest. Your mind will rest. As soon as you are entering the theta frequency of your brain, and as soon as that your kundalini start to go up, and then as soon as that happen, your eyes will close automatically. That is a more complete explanation. Then you are very relaxed. So the most relaxed state is when you are doing a meditation, or when you are having a very, very deep sleep, you are at delta. And then that happen is only not long in your sleeping time when you sleep. Okay, Ignacio?
Thank you very much. It's very clear. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other question?
I want to thank you for your time and for what you are sharing. And also thank you, Dani and Salome, for gathering us all this night. I wanted to thank you so much because for several times in these past 6 years, I was just writing right now, realizing many things have happened, and I I lost security, happiness, peace. I lost so many things, and this year I finally realized maybe this is a calling, an awakening, and listening to you now I feel peace. That's true, and I wanted to thank you so much for that because it makes me feel relief. And
Okay.
also I wanted to ask you what tools. I know that when we are helping people or in this service for others, when we are more awake and more uh, coherent, maybe we can serve in a better way, like a channel. But what specific tools or resources are we going to learn to help others after the retreat?
Okay, good question. In the retreat, we will have a lot of moment to understand our soul capacity, our soul potential, our soul talent, our program, our power. It's written for each person. If you are destined, if your role will be to help people in that way, then you will be facilitated. You will be given the device, you will be given the tool to help the people. And surely the generic one, if we have money, we can help people using our money. If we have a lot of jnana or education, we can help sharing the people through sharing the knowledge. But spiritually, if you have specific spiritual power, then you will be able to help. It's very much depend on the talent that you bring. You will know later on by yourself. We will be able to help you to find what is your spiritual talent after having your soul more open.
Mhm.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Any others? If not, it's okay, Salome. We will see you in the retreat. So thank you very much, everybody. I'm happy to see your face now more smiley, more beautiful than before. So have a nice journey in your life. You joining or not joining, wish you to be happier in this life and to continue to have a meditation. It's a simple thing, but it has a lot of benefits for your life. So thank you very much, Daniela, Salome, and everybody. Have a beautiful life. Rahayu, Rahayu, Rahayu.
Thank you, Father.
Bye-bye
Thank you for your
now.
time. Bye. Thank you for joining us.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Have a good night. Gracias, Alo.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Muchas gracias por conectarse.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias a todos. Gracias.
Cualquier información pueden escribirnos a la Dani, a mí, también a Verónica en Colombia. Y ojalá que nos podamos ver en el retiro. Que descansen hasta mañana.
Gracias. Hasta mañana.